of all, I want to thank you.
You're welcome
for coming out. I really appreciate the support, the love. I gotta show the same back to you right now. So let's go. Let's get this done, man.
But let me stand right here and make sure they all get in. So, how are you?
This is the
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Concerned about the artist safety. Mike,
listen. That's where I'm going right now to bring it security, and we can have that conversation in front of everybody.
Absolutely. I mean, he's your boy wearing sweats.
I mean, but
hey, if I say no, you're gonna get offended.
No, I'm not.
You sure?
I'm ready to go in. You won't see me no more. You can tell them to come.
Well, I just told them to come on now. So
after you do the
Yeah.
And how far is it Barclays from here?
Barclays from here? 20 minutes.
You might as well just tell them to come now.
No, I already did.
Oh, okay.
I can't.
I see you, Tiff. I see you, Tiff. They going separate. Tell them let us go and walk in. What up, champ?
Nitty.
Hey, Nitty. How are you?
Happy. Why is it your engagement today, right? It's a birthday party. Well, whatever it is, we're about to party.
Too much going on. Just DJ Stevie J.
What up, Stevie? Oh shit, my bad.
He ain't playing that.
He ain't playing no game.
You know what it is, man?
He ain't playing no game.
I apologize, man.
He ain't playing no game.
I know you a big DJ. I know who you are. You chilling with me tonight, right?
I'm chilling wherever. Likewise. Thank you. It's a pleasure.
I'm his manager, and you know.
Hey man, it's all right.
Guys, okay.
And then the cameraman. Okay.
Everything, bro.
Yeah, thank you. All right. This is Anthony.
Okay. Appreciate your hard work, man. It was crazy.
You can move the cones and let them go behind them.
All right, so what we're gonna do? We're just gonna get everybody in, and then once Chris walk in, we'll put him in the section.
Can they supposed to? No. Stevie already in. They holding up Tiffany now with the sweatpants again, with the $4,000.
One sweatpant?
One sweatpant.
But
but
I'm gonna make the call right now.
all right,
One second. Who's the boss? Cause you said you were the owner.
I am.
So who's
head
the
of
boss?
security right here.
Who's
He's
the
gotta
boss?
make the deal. That's my club. Yes.
Okay, so I'm the boss here. You're the boss here. Okay, what I'm saying is my guy would not get off the bus until everybody he loves is inside the club.
Okay, so let's get everybody he loves
That's all
inside
I'm
the club. That's it.
Okay.
we'll take that picture later.
Got it.
I'm right here. Stevie, we'll get it in a minute. He ain't with you, is he? He said no. He said no.
He is.
You know what? 2 times we in the motherfucking building. Chris Brown in the motherfucking building. Pop Smoke on the FaceTime, nigga. What we doing? Let's go. Speaking, we in here. If you go back on it.
You gotta do great shit.
Calm down, baby. We
Great amount
good.
of people that come with great shit, Mike. That's just how it works.
Oh, that talk is on, baby. That
That's
talk, baby. It's talk. Ain't no.
You want the headliner, don't you? You want to open the act?
You don't want to open the act.
Oh, okay. This is the headliner now.
Oh, that talk.